Okay, friends, now it's time to apply a third coat. Take a small amount of plaster and start in the same place you began applying the first and second coats. Use the same material and color. Application technique is the same as for the second coat. Hold the trowel at a 30 to 60 degree angle and apply your plaster in long and short overlapping strokes. For every stroke, you should apply material and remove excess. Let's watch the process and movement. Now we need to burnish to create a polished and glossy look. Clean your trowel. And go over the third coat with a clean trowel, held at a 30 degree to 45 degree angle. The more you burnish your plaster, the shinier it will become. This is a very important step. Keep burnishing until you see plaster becomes polished and glossy all over the surface. Let's watch the process of burnishing. Okay, the third coat is done.